actually check your feet. Okay, is that okay?
Yeah.
As I take off your shoes.
There's a little band-aid on there, but that's all.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
What is that from?
I just stepped on an earring, so covered it so it doesn't.
Oh.
It's just a little band-aid.
On the bottom. Okay. They're not too bad.
Not a big problem.
No. And I don't know. I think some people, if your heel slides in flip-flops, that's what causes some of that issue. But it really depends on how you walk. And sometimes shoes are more problematic for people than they think about. So let's see. Stretch that.
Yeah, I really consider it, but.
Let's use your sock so I can grab. Good. Not too bad. Let's check this. Then I'm going to go ahead and check your internal external rotation. Oh, you have pretty good rotation. No issues there at all?
No, that's pretty comfortable.
Yeah, good. And no knee problems?
No, I wouldn't say any problems.
Good.
Older.
Yeah.
I wish I had you. I should have two cameras, one on your face. Man, I could. Hold on. Okay, these are ankle adjustments. I'm gonna pull your ankle in this direction like that. Okay.
Okay, as cute as these are, we may have to take them off here.
Yep, that's okay.
So I'm just gonna slip them off
Okay.
real quick.
Thank you. I'm like, I hope my feet are clean.
Not to worry. Not to worry. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Relax your head. Go. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. One more. Let this relax.
The big toes don't like to crack.
All right, ready? I'm gonna pull down in this direction like that. Good. One more. It's because you're cold. You let it get cold. It's okay. Can you crack your?
Usually I do that and they all snap, crackle, and pop. But I think you got one.
Good. Okay. Let's go here. Good. Good. Here, relax. Good. All right. Gonna take these off. Toes looking good?
Alright, man, I just got a pedicure yesterday.
So it worked out.
It sure did.
Okay. Okay, good.
How'd you get this scar?
I don't know.
All right, I'm gonna adjust your ankles now. So for this, I'm gonna pull this down like this, and we're gonna pull in that direction, okay? Okay, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good, sinking in.
Oh, yeah, whoa. That was a little different.
Ankle, yeah.
Oh, wait, was my ankle?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. I felt it in my foot. Like, in my foot.
Well, yeah. It's,
Not my
I mean,
ankle.
like, your ankle is like where your tibia connects to your talus, right? So this is your true ankle right here.
Right.
These things out here are not really your ankle. Where the leg actually connects to the foot is right there. That's what I just adjusted.
Yeah, because like normally I crack like this way. That
Okay.
was amazing.
Okay. Good. Breathing, sinking. One more time. Good. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna just do a calcaneus adjustment. So I'm gonna hit your heel like that, okay? Right, nice and gentle. Let's crack the toes. Oh, one more time. Just relax here. What? Relax. Let it all go. Let it go. Loosey goose, loosey goose, loosey goose. Yeah. You gotta let this go. Come on. One more here. Let's go. Oh. Well, this was, you had the one janky ankle.
You broke that one.
It was this left one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the whole problem. Just those scoliosis. I don't even think you have it anymore.
Really?
Yeah, just when I looked at your spine when you first stood. What's this scar?
I have no idea. She got really drunk and Noah wandered off and came back with a scar on her foot because she was barefoot.
There was a deep cut.
I don't know what happened. It didn't hurt. I don't know what happened.
Table? Good. Check this one. Good. The big one. Excellent. Let's just check these hips. Hold the leg out strong. Let me push it in. Hold it out. Good. Hold this leg out. Good. Hold it out. Excellent.
Okay. Ow. Oh, interesting. I'm always trying to break that one. Whew, got two of them there.
Good, let it relax. Good. Nice and gentle. I got it. Looks good. Sink in.